Everyday Japanese conversations, practice dialogues. Part 4. Social situations. Visiting a friend's house. Arriving at a friend's house. A. Ojamashimasu. Excuse me for disturbing you. Used when entering someone's home. B. Irashai. Dozo haire kudasai. Welcome, please come in. Inviting someone out. Making plans. A. Kondo no shumatsu ni eiga o mini ikimasen ka? Would you like to go see a movie this weekend? B. Ii desu ne. Ikemashou. Sounds good. Let's go. Thank you everyone for watching. Please, if you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you again in the next video. Mata ne!